Yo, what's up? It's your boy Marlon. Today, I got another banging recipe. Easy, flavorful. Stewed fish and grits. Your grandmother probably made these with canned tin salmon. I'm using fresh, diced up, to then serve with some creamy, cheesy grits. I start by dicing up, the freshest salmon that I can find. Then I'm gonna marinate it with some onions and some bell peppers. I'm going kind of Caribbean style here, as you can probably tell. Got some Trinity green seasoning, along with some spices and lemon juice and Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna let that sit for about 30 minutes to an hour at most, and then I'm gonna get to cooking. So I'm gonna render some bacon fat in a skillet, and then depending on how much bacon fat I have in the skillet, I'm going to add some butter, a little more fat, and that's gonna be like the foundation for sauteing my fresh salmon. You can see the color, you can see the freshness. I'm gonna continue to season it as I go, so I'm gonna add seasoning to the dish. You can get the spice mix in the description, but I'm gonna heat these over low heat. I don't wanna burn the salmon, I just wanna get it going a little bit. Then I'm gonna add, I got a Thai curry sauce that I bought from the store. Just go to like the international aisle, you can get like an Indian style curry or Asian style, or just make your own if you feel like it. Some spicy coconut milk. I serve this over some creamy grits. I use stone ground grits, that's my thing. Loaded with some cheddar cheese and butter. And then I just top with that stewed fish. And the bacon I cooked, I diced it up, put that on top for a little bit of texture, along with some green onions. I want that crunch a little bit when I bite into this dish. Lots of flavor, lots of texture. It's got it going on. I think you're gonna like it. As usual, if you try the dish and like it, leave a comment or a like. Most importantly, hit that red subscribe button and get new recipes in your inbox weekly when I post new content. Thanks for vibing with me. Peace out.